Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this, then you're new here. I started this when the COVID-19 pandemic had us all forced to go into a digital learning environment, and I had to have a way in order to give lessons to my students. I wanted them to be authentic. I wanted them to be from their teacher. I wanted them to be able to see me and interact with me. And so I made a bunch of videos, and I did it using PowerPoint and some other free software like DaVinci Resolve and OBS. I got a lot of questions from my colleagues and from my students about how I did some of the cool things that I did in my videos. So, since I have this channel, I want to use it to give back to some of the people in the profession and try to help out as much as I can. So, I'm now going to use it in order to show you some of the tricks that I used, especially in PowerPoint. It's such a great program. It has so much power and so much potential, and it's been thrown under the bus because Google Slides is free, but it doesn't have the capabilities that PowerPoint does. PowerPoint can do some really cool stuff, and I want to show you the way that I utilized it to do some of the things that I did. So, if you want to learn with me and you want to grow with me, then go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's go on this journey together. Thank you.